This dance is called Baby Blue. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improve a level man dance. Starting on the right foot, touch your right heel forward, hook the right over the left, touch the right heel forward, hook the right over the left. Shuffle forward on the right. Into a left mambo step, rock forward, recover, left beside right. Then go back on a right back lock step, back, lock, back. That set of steps once more then, heel hook off on the right. 7, 8, heel hook, right shuffle, mambo step, back, lock, back. Into a coaster step, back, close step, chase half turn. So we step forward on the right, pivot to half a turn to the left, step forward on the right. Full turn, over 2 steps, over your right shoulder. So half a turn right, you step back on the left, half a turn right, you step forward on that right. Then shuffle forward on the left. That set of steps once more, then coaster step off on the left. 7, 8, coaster step, step, pivot step, full turn, left shuffle. Now that full turn is, by virtue of its name, a full turn. Should you wish to try and take that out, just walk forward 2 steps. Left, right, and then you can go into your left shuffle. Now I will demonstrate that full turn whilst we're actually doing the walk-through. I'll be doing the non-turning walk-walk option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. Let's add that to the top. Heel hook off on the right. 7, 8, heel hook, right shuffle, mambo step, back lock back, coaster step, step, pivot step, full turn, left shuffle. Add on a couple of scissor steps. So right scissor, set the right to side, left beside right, cross the right over. Left scissor step, left to the side, right beside left, cross the left over. Step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, chassé to the right with a quarter turn on the end, side, close, quarter turn. That set of steps once more then, scissors off on the right. 7, 8, scissor step, side, behind, chassé, quarter turn. Let's add that to the top. Heel hooks off on the right. 7, 8, heel hook, right shuffle, mambo step, back lock back, coaster step, step, pivot step, full turn, left shuffle, scissor step, side, behind, chassé, turn. Add on a rocking chair, left foot leading, so rock forward on the left, recover, rock back on the left, recover. Rock forward on the left again, recover on the right, point the left out to the side. Extended weave to the right. Crossing the left behind, right to the side, cross left over, right to the side, left behind, right to the side, cross left over. That set of steps once more then. Rocking chair up on the left. 7, 8, rocking chair, forward rock, point, behind side, cross, side, behind side, cross. End of dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Heel hook off on the right. 7, 8, heel hook, right shuffle, mambo step, back lock back, coaster step, pivot, step, full turn, left shuffle, scissor step, side, behind, chassé turn, rocking chair, forward rock point, behind side cross, side behind side cross. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Heel hook off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a full wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Heel hook off on the right. 7, 8. Heel hook, right shuffle, mambo step, back lock back, coaster step, pivot step, full turn, left shuffle, scissor step, side behind, chassé turn, rocking chair, forward rock point, behind side cross, side behind side cross, heel hook, right shuffle, mambo step, back lock back, coaster step, pivot step, full turn, left shuffle, scissor step, side behind, chassé turn, rocking chair, forward rock point, behind side cross, side behind side cross, heel hook, right shuffle, mambo step, back lock back, coaster step, pivot step, full turn, left shuffle, scissor step, side behind, chassé turn, rocking chair, forward rock point, behind side cross, side behind side cross. So there it is. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to their music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Heel hook, right shuffle, mambo step, back lock back, coaster step, step, full turn, left shuffle, scissor step, side behind, chassé turn, rocking chair, forward rock point, behind side cross, side behind side cross, heel hook, right shuffle, mambo step, back lock back, coaster step, full turn, left shuffle, scissor step, side behind, chassé turn, rocking chair, forward rock point, behind side cross, side behind side cross, heel hook, right shuffle, mambo step, back lock back, coaster step, full turn, left shuffle, scissor step, side behind, chassé turn, rocking chair, forward rock point, behind side cross, side behind side cross, heel hook, right shuffle, mambo step, back lock back, coaster step, full turn, left shuffle, scissor step, side behind, chassé turn, rocking chair, forward rock point, behind side cross, side behind side cross, heel hooks, coaster,
and now I don't know what to do.
scissors,
You took my dreams to be true love I cannot find.
rocking chair,
You're in the shadow of my mind.
Heel hook.
Oh, baby blue, don't know what to do.
Coaster.
Keep going, lift time on the low.
Scissors.
Oh, baby blue, just can't get over you.
Rocking chair.
You're in the shadow of my mind.
Heel hook. Coaster. Scissors. Rocking chair. Heel hook.
Oh, baby blue, don't know what to do.
Coaster.
Keep going, lift time on the low.
Scissors.
Oh, baby blue, just can't get over you.
Rocking chair.
You're in the shadow of my mind. You're in the shadow of my mind.
Hope you managed that one.